In this video, I will show you how you can get most out of your Beamex calibration equipment investment. Hint is here. Hi, my name is Michael and welcome to Beamex channel. With over 100 videos and 500,000 views on better ways to calibrate, I'm sure you're going to find something suitable for you. If not, let us know in the comments below. So how can you get most out of your Beamex investment? Well, simply by having Beamex experts showing you how to make your calibration life easier, quicker, with less paperwork, and by using latest technology and knowledge. We develop modules that you can pick and choose from depending on the level of expertise from your calibration technicians, and also depend on the products that you've got and the application. We of course help you select the best program tailored to your needs. Some training modules are as short as 2 hours. Some of them can take 1 day. We can also provide training on site if it's convenient for you, or if it's more convenient for you to come to our facilities, we can host these training sessions as well. Also, if you decide that you would like to purchase some other Beamex products and you just want to have a quick training session with one of our experts, we could organize them online sessions whilst you could be sitting at a place convenient to you. Most importantly, we want you to use Beamex products. We want you to utilize them to the maximum of their capacity. We want you to be better at calibrating. Find out more about training sessions and available modules from the links below. Thank you so much for watching.